The Purosangue already redefined the luxury SUV. But for those who think a Ferrari should always lean toward the extreme, Maranello has a new answer. This is the 2026 Handling Speciale. It takes the most versatile V12 in the world and sharpens its edge, proving that even a four-door can have the soul of a supercar. The secret isn't just power, it's poise. Ferrari has recalibrated the revolutionary active suspension system specifically for this package, reducing body roll and pitch by a further 10%. The result is a high-riding Titan that stays eerily flat through the corners. It reacts with a level of urgency and turn-in precision that makes its 2-ton curb weight feel like a digital glitch. The heart remains the legendary 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, pumping out 715 horsepower. But in the Handling Speciale, it speaks with more authority. A revised acoustic profile delivers a more visceral, unfiltered bark from the quad-exit exhaust. As you chase the 8,250 RPM redline, the cabin fills with a mechanical symphony that no turbocharger or electric motor could ever hope to replicate. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission has been remapped for pure theater. In race and ESC off modes, shifts are now more decisive, delivering a deliberate mechanical kick that prioritizes thrust and engagement over seamless cruising. It's a sensory reminder that this isn't just a family car, it's a performance instrument. Visually, the Speciale is marked by a stealth wealth of aggression. Look for the exclusive diamond-cut forged wheels, matte black exhaust tips, and the subtle carbon fiber fender shields. Inside, the cabin is a mix of heritage leather and technical fabrics, centered around a dedicated Handling Speciale plaque. It's subtle enough to be elegant, but sharp enough to be intimidating. The Handling Speciale doesn't change the Purosangue's mission, it just perfects it. It is the ultimate expression of the four-door Ferrari, combining impossible physics with an iconic soundtrack. Is this the only car you'll ever truly need? Let me know in the comments. I'm heading back to the red line.